This is Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're going to show you a very fun but very spirit-forward drink. It's called the Good Dill Hunting. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and you'll never miss this face ever again. So Good Dill Hunting is kind of like a little riff on a silver bullet. It contains kind of like a German aquavit. This is called Kümmel. Kümmel is flavored with fennel and caraway. It's their type of aquavit, I would say. But let's get right into it. This is a stirred down drink. We're gonna take our mixing glass, and first thing we wanna do is we're gonna add the Kümmel, and we wanna add 10 mils per drink. So that is 20 mils in total. It's very potent, this, so that's why we're only using a little bit. Next up, just to smooth off those fennel flavors, 15 mils per drink. We're gonna add the Lillet Blanc. So that's gonna be 30 mils in total. And then last but not least, the headliner, Absolut Vodka. We want 45 mils per drink. So we're gonna slop a nice big 90 mils in total. All we're gonna do now is stir it up. So we wanna get the ice. Get that into our mixing glass and give it a good stir. And we're gonna stir to dilute. Dilution helps mellow out all the flavors. And it also helps bind all these flavors. But you see, when you actually stir a drink as opposed to shaking a drink, you get a much more smoother, luxurious texture. Whereas when you shake a drink, it gets a little bit crunchier. But this should have all the mouthfeel. Ooh! Oh! Take our julep strainer again into our mixing glass, and we want to pour direct into our glass of choice. You want to use a martini glass, maybe a small coupe. Nick and Nora's work fantastic. Boom. And then last but not least, we're going to take one of my favorite zests, the lemon zest, my favorite garnish of all time. And what we're going to do, we're going to zest and discard. That means we're going to get the oils all around, but we're going to leave the zest actually out of the drink and serve it kind of naked. Boom. And there we have it, guys. Good Dill Hunting. A great kind of vodka martini type of drink. All the spices you're gonna get coming through from the Lillet. And then once you get into the Kümmel, you got caraway, you got fennel, and you got that little bit of dill coming through. It's basically the Nordic Vodka Martini. It is banging. Try this, but remember, it's very spirit forward, so drink responsibly. You may only want to have 2 in a night. Good Dill Hunting.